You wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. One day you stop and ask, what's the actual point of any of this? A French philosopher built his entire life's work around that question. And his answer wasn't, here's the meaning. It was, stop looking for one. Albert Camus called this feeling the absurd, and it's often misunderstood. Absurd here doesn't mean silly or random. Camus defined it as the collision between two things. Humans desperately want life to have meaning, and the universe just doesn't answer. It stays silent. The absurd isn't the universe. It isn't you. It's the tension between the two. Camus said, most people try to dodge that tension in one of two ways. First, actual suicide, ending the confrontation outright. He rejected this. His reasoning, without a person to feel the tension, the absurd doesn't even exist. Killing yourself doesn't solve the problem, it just deletes the person asking it. The second escape, he called philosophical suicide. This is when someone feels the absurd, then takes a leap of faith to make it go away, pinning everything on religion or some grand cosmic plan or fate. Camus's issue wasn't with faith itself. It's that using it to erase the tension is cheating the question, not answering it. So what's left? This is where Sisyphus comes in. The Greek king condemned by the gods to push a boulder up a mountain forever, watching it roll back down every single time. Total futility, on loop. Most people read that as a punishment. Camus read it as a mirror for all of us, and he flips it. He argues the struggle itself, fully lived, is enough, not the outcome. The act of pushing, that's the whole essay's famous closing thought. You can picture Sisyphus walking back down for the boulder again, and still, somehow, content. Camus' alternative to both escapes is what he calls revolt, living in full awareness of the absurd, without resolving it and without pretending it's not there. Out of that comes freedom. Once you stop chasing some cosmic answer key, that pressure just lifts. Since no moment carries more built-in meaning than another, every moment is worth living fully, not for a payoff later, but because it's happening now. Camus never claimed to know why we're here. He just said it doesn't matter, because the real question was never why, it's what you do with the time anyway. If this video hit you, subscribe, more of this is coming.